1 Samuel 3:9. Speak, Lord, for thy servant heareth. Jeremiah 17:14. Heal me, O Lord, and I shall be healed. Save me, and I shall be saved, for thou art my praise. Jeremiah 17:14. Psalm 17:8. Keep me as the apple of the eye, hide me under the shadow of thy wings. Psalm 17:8. Psalm 27:11. Teach me thy way, O Lord, and lead me in a plain path. Psalm 27:11. Psalm 34:8. O taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the one who trusteth in him. Psalm 34:8. Job 37:14. Stand still and consider the wondrous work of God. Job 37:14. 1 Peter 5:7. Casting all your care upon him, for he careth for you. 1 Peter 5:7.